How to delete cookies and clear cache on Google Chrome on Android. This tutorial shows you how to wipe your browsing data clean in just a few steps. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. At this point, tap on Delete Browsing Data. Following this, set the time range to all time to make sure everything gets cleared. Once done, make sure cookies and site data and cached images and files are both checked. From there, if you also want to clear your browsing history and saved passwords, go ahead and check those boxes as well. At this stage, tap on Clear Data to delete everything. After this, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Clear to confirm, and Chrome will wipe all selected data right away. Finally, once done, Chrome will reload and all your cookies and cache will be completely cleared. Keep in mind, you may need to log back into some websites as your saved session data will be gone. And that's it. If this guide helped you clear cookies and cache on Chrome, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.